Hey, welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we will take a look at why your refrigerator is not maintaining its temperature. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. In most cases, if your refrigerator section is not maintaining a cold temperature, this could be an indication of an evaporator fan motor that is not running or has completely failed. The way refrigerators work is by having an evaporator coil in the freezer section that gets down to -20 to -5 degrees. There's an evaporator fan motor which draws air across the evaporator coil to circulate cold air through an air damper assembly into the freezer and refrigerator section. 70% of the air is circulated into the freezer section and 30% into the refrigerator. The evaporator fan motor circulates on and off as needed to keep the refrigerator section maintaining temperatures between 38 and 44 degrees. There are a few things that can cause your evaporator motor to fail. On most refrigerators, when you open up the refrigerator or freezer door, it opens up a switch that controls the fan motor and shuts the motor off. When you close the door, the motor starts back up. You can check these switches with a basic ohm meter. If you check the switches and they are not failing, power the unit off and remove the cover of the evaporator coil. Try to spin the blade. If there isn't any restriction, that means the motor bearings are good. Next, you will need to ohm out the motor windings to see if the motor has continuity. And to help with these steps, you can search for videos on ApplianceVideo.com to see how to diagnose and replace the evaporator fan motor. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.